Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to upgrade a Juniper EX-4550. So in this particular case we are using how to upgrade using a USB pen drive. So you don't have a TFTP server, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can upgrade the operating system, the Junos OS, from the USB pen drive. Let me show you how to execute that. So basically I have the file right here. This is the file the customer wants, so copy. So we are going to cp this one, paste to the directory, right? To the USB pen drive. So this is the unit, paste, and this is not a directory, this is a drive, so we need to execute that. Enter. This is a very small file. This is a very simple procedure, but sometimes people ask me, how can I grade the operating system? I don't have a TFTP server. So if you don't have that, so this is the solution. So let's see if the operating system is here. ls the l yeah, it's already there. So basically let me go and insert the USB into the switch. So basically we have that in here, the file already there. So we need to remove the drive, close this first, eject. So now let me insert into the USB port. So right there is the drive. So let me show you what is the operating system right now. It's a very similar version, but my customer want this one specifically. I don't know why, but oh yeah, okay. So that's the model number right here, and that's the operating system right here, 12.2r1.9. So basically we are going to the shell, and from there mount. Let me do this. Okay, mount ms-fs dash device da1s1 dash mmt. We are mounting a volume. Let's check. It's already there. cd dash mmt ls the l j install. It's already there. Look at that. So now we are going into the CLI, and very simple, request system software add dash mmt and the operating system name. This one right here. Copy, paste, no, copy, enter. And this will take a few minutes, and after that we need to reload the switch. So we can see here, all the process was complete, and now I need to just execute request system reboot, but apparently everything worked fine. This will take about maybe a couple minutes. Request system reboot, enter. Yes, let's wait until the process or until the switch reboot completely, and we're going to check the new version of the Junos OS and a few diagnostic command on the unit. So let's just wait. So guys, as we can see, the upgrade was complete. Look, all of that information right here. So just let's to make sure that the operating system is running. Oh, look at this message right here. So I show you how to fix that. But right now, the most important is check that. Yep. CLI. Show version. Show chassis hardware detail. Show chassis routing engine. Show chassis FPC. Pick stars is working. This command is very important. And show chassis alarm. Show system alarm. So let's just check, how to fix the issue. No, it's not an issue, but I mean there is a message right there. We set this a warning. So I like to see, send equipment to our customers, with a very clear, with no error message. Sometimes this is something that it bothers me. So OS version running on dual partition are not the same. So this is because the alternate partition have a different operating system. Let me show you how to you can see that. Show system, the snapshot, media internal. Let's check. See the difference, on the secondary partition, on the backup partition, it's still the old operating system. That's why the message is right there. So on the primary partition is the more recent Junos OS that we just installed. So how to fix that? Just execute request. Request system snapshot slice alternate. So this will will format the partition and copy the same operating system in both of them. This will take a few minutes. So let's wait until the process is complete, and we are executing again the same command, show system and snapshot media internal, just to make sure that both operating system, the same operating system, are in the primary and the backup partition. Let's wait. So the snapshot slide alternate is complete. Let's just check again. Show system and snapshot media internal. And look at that. The same operating system is running in both partitions. How do you fix that issue? Well, this is everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share it with your friends and coworkers. Thank you so much. I hope you have a really nice day. Thank you.